floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I
a breath away, losing my touch today. I am just a man, not superhuman. Someone save me from the hate.
It's just another war, just another family joke, just a step from the edge, just another day in the world we live.
I need a hero. I need a hero. I need a
Alright, so I think there's probably gonna be a lot of questions about what build I'm running. I'll go over my talents first. I run both builds. I run the Thunder Axe build and Wrath of Thunder for PvP. They both have their advantages and disadvantages. The main difference is the Wrath of Thunder build is more upfront damage, but a little bit less overall burst, while the Thunder Axe build is more burst damage and more amp damage for your team, but it takes a little bit longer to build up. So depending on who you're running with and what your comp is, and how your guys' playstyle is, that should determine whether you run Thunder Axe or Wrath of Thunder. Now, I think in Arena I like to do these 3 talents always. I think these are pretty much just standard here. I'll go through a Thunder Axe build first. I don't really like to take the combo rate because I don't know what the combo rate is in Arena. I don't know what it gets scaled down to, so I don't know if this 3% combo rate is actually going to help me hit any multiplier or anything like that, so I usually just leave it blank. I always skip the Cyclone Turmoil because this is your AoE skill. It's not very good in Arena. And then with Thunder Axe, you are doing a lot of combos with your Earthquake, so I do like to put the points in this Earthquake talent. I think it's really good. And then also this can help you do a bit more damage when you're throwing your axes just to build. Now the problem is there's a lot of good talents here. For Thunder Axe, you need to take all the Thunder Axe passives here. I mean, these are too good to pass up. And you need your Execute for PvP, right? Just to push through the healing, the sustain of other healers, stuff like that, and help execute targets. These Earthquake talents are really good as well. Are really strong. It's hard to find something to give up, right? I don't usually take this one, this energy overflow, so you can leave this blank. But now here comes the problem. I think you can't give up this. This gives you additional 5% damage bonus and makes it last longer your buffs. You have to take that. This passive extends your buff to your teammates, so I think that's also a must-have. And then it comes into what you want to give up here, right? These talents here will help you build your resources faster, like significantly faster when they proc. So you can get your Thunder Axe up faster. You could sacrifice these points to increase your damage when you Earthquake here. You could take 2 points out of this Axe Thunder passive here, and then take 2 points out of this bottom passive here to fill in these 4 points here. You could also take the combo rate just for more burst and just try to get more combos off. It's really up to you. I change my build all the time between these passives. But yeah, that's your basic Thunder Axe build. You can go to the Wrath of Thunder build. So Wrath of Thunder, you're still taking these same 4 core passives here. And then I like this Wrath of Thunder talent here. It gives you a bit more resource back, so you can keep attacking, a little bit more sustained damage. Obviously I talked about these Earthquake passives that are really strong. And then this Wrath of Thunder passive is an absolute must if you're running at Wrath of Thunder. Just gives 15% more damage on Wrath of Thunder. And then the same stuff down here. I have run this passive before. I do put it on occasionally just because it gives more damage every time you cast Wrath of Thunder. If you do the math here, 3 points in this here. I'll switch over here. 3 points in this passive gives you 24% per second for 4 seconds, so that actually comes out to be 96% of your total attack for every single Wrath of Thunder you cast, which is not really an insignificant amount, right? If you look at it, it's 95% of your attack plus 220 or 252, so it's actually almost doubling the damage in terms of attack percentage. So it was a good passive to take. It's just there's not enough points, right? There's too many good passives. There's not enough points. But yeah, that's the Wrath of Thunder build. Again, I switch these builds depending on who I'm with, my team comp, and maybe like who we're running into that day. Like if there's a lot of teams that I need the extra burst from Thunder Axe to finish kills, then I'll go Thunder Axe. Like if the teams are playing slower, if I need the more upfront damage of Wrath of Thunder, I'll play that build. And as for the ultimates, there's a lot of good ultimates here. I honestly run all of them. I run Leap, or I run Beast Sprint when my healer can't afford to take the move speed bonus for me. I'll take Leap whenever I'm playing a hard engage comp. I usually don't take Thundershock or the HP up. But also take Break Free pretty much every single time. My team doesn't need the Slam, the Paralysis here, then I won't take that. And then the Vulnerate's a little bit too good, right? This is 30% increased damage to my target, and it also inflicts healing reduction and deceleration, so I pretty much always take Break Free and Vulnerate. And then my third skill is either my Stun, the Leap, or the movement speed thing. And as for passives, I mean, you're a DPS, so I always take the 2 damage buffs. And then for these, it's up to you what you want to do. If you have trouble avoiding damage and you want just to be tankier, you can take these Slow Shield or Deadly Res. Time control is really good too. It just reduces the cooldown of your ultimates. You just get more stuns, more debuffs, more leaps, more CC break. It's really good. Rapid pullback can help you not be kited, give you that extra move speed. Yeah, I mean everything has its use. I don't like taking Death Sustenance. I think it's a crutch. I think it's a crutch for bad play. But I mean it definitely can save you, right? If you upgrade it to the max, it's 20% of your max HP, so definitely can save you from getting burst if you're facing a lot of burst comps. But yeah, so if you have any questions about a build, then or any just questions about PvP in general, you can comment on the video and I'll try to respond to every comment and answer any questions you guys have.